Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to study lesson 11 of word skills intermediate. I'll explain the key vocabulary, meanings and how to use them in real sentences. So let's get started. Part A, the universe. The moon is a satellite of the earth. In other words, it circles around the earth. This takes approximately 28 days. The earth revolves around the sun every 365 days. The sun is a star but seems much larger than other stars because it is so close to the earth. Light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the earth. 9 planets revolve around the sun. We call the sun and all its planets the solar system. 75 years ago, sending rockets into space seemed far-fetched, but now it is a fact of life and we have gained considerable knowledge of the Earth's satellite and our solar system. Alright, now let's look at the most important words in this lesson. Satellite, an artificial object placed in orbit around the planet to collect information or for communication. The satellite provided high-resolution images of the Earth. Approximately. It means close to a particular number or amount, but not exactly. The journey took approximately 2 hours. Gain something. It means to obtain or achieve something, often through effort. He gained a lot of experience during his internship. Far-fetched, unlikely or difficult to believe. For example, her explanation for being late seemed far-fetched to everyone. Now, let's jump into the part B, scientific exploration. Why go to Mars? Scientists have already sent satellites to explore the surface of Mars and carried out experiments to see if they can discover any signs of life. So far, they haven't found any, but an analysis of rocks from Mars has confirmed that they were created by the presence of water and wind. In other words, life could have existed in the past. So now let's take a look at the keywords in this part. As I said, satellite is an artificial object placed in orbit around the planet to collect information or for communication. Explore something means to investigate or examine something in detail, often to discover new information. For example, the team is exploring the potential of renewable energy sources. Carry out something to perform or complete a task, experiment or project. The researchers carried out a series of tests to verify their hypothesis. Confirm something to prove or establish that something is true or correct. The results of this study confirmed the initial theory analysis, the detailed examination of something to understand it better. The scientists conducted an analysis of the soil samples. Here we have a spotlight about discover or invent. What's the difference between discover and invent? If you discover something, you learn about or find something for the first time. Noun form of discover is discovery. If you invent something, you create something that didn't exist before. Noun form of invent is invention. They've discovered a new planet. And who invented the telescope?